Before you think about juice cleanses, colonics, or even detox pills, ask yourself this: is your digestion even working? Because gut health detox really begins in the mouth and the stomach. In fact, up to 80% of your immune system is housed in your gut, and poor digestion often leads to toxin recirculation, not elimination. In this video, we're going to explore why detoxification isn't a one-step process and why your body can't detox properly if digestion is dysfunctional. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board-certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to, combining science with spirit. So let's talk about your low stomach acid. Low stomach acid actually prevents proper breakdowns of proteins as well as minerals, leaving you bloated and sometimes, in fact, constipated. Poor transit time allows for toxins to sit into the digestive system and recirculate, making it not healthy for you at all. Enzymatic activity, bile flow, and microbiome balance all rely on proper digestion. So all those biochemical chains must work properly. In fact, those detox pathways like the liver and the kidneys often get overloaded when digestion stalls. So you must first fix your digestion before binding, cleansing, or even Are you ready to build your detoxification the right way and track your digestion this week? We'll go ahead and download our free guide that is found within our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2. This is a summary video for Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, Detoxification and Elimination, a 12-week course to teach you all about digestion and assimilation, but more importantly, detoxification. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe for more, and go ahead and let me know how your digestion is going in the detoxification process.